The sun dips low over Rio de Janeiro on Saturday, July 12th, as Flamengo, perched at the summit of the Campeonato Brasileiro standings, prepares to host Sao Paulo in what promises to be a pivotal clash in round 13. On this crisp afternoon, every dribble, tackle and goal carries the weight of expectation for the Rubro Negro, with 24 points in their pocket. Jorge Sampaoli's men have been carving a path of dominance through the league, yet the title race is unforgiving, and one misstep could hand momentum to those lurking just behind. Will Flamengo deepen their stranglehold on first place, or will Sao Paulo spring a surprise to tighten the chase? The answer awaits under the lights of the Maracanã. For the legions of Flamengo faithful and neutrals alike, the magic of this encounter will unfold live on Globo and Premiere. Whether you're lounging on the couch with a cold drink in hand or streaming from your smartphone amid the bustle of city life, tuning in couldn't be simpler. Globo's comprehensive broadcast team will dissect every moment, from pre-match analysis to post-game reactions, while Premiere offers uninterrupted, high-definition coverage for subscribers hungry for every on-field detail. If you prefer an online stream, be sure to log into your Globo Play or Premiere Access at least 15 minutes before kickoff to dodge last-minute buffering, and have your snacks and teen scarf at the ready. After all, nothing breaks the spell of a dramatic opener like a dropped signal. The whistle blows at exactly 16:30 Brasilia Standard Time, piercing the afternoon calm with the promise of footballing fireworks. For those tuning in from other corners of the globe, whether adjusting clocks to New York's 15:30, London's 20:30, or Tokyo's 04:30 the next day, it's wise to set alarms and prepare in advance. Stadium gates and broadcast streams alike will spring to life an hour before, so plan to log on or arrive by 15:30 BRT to soak up the electric pre-game atmosphere, the final tactical huddles, the floodlights warming up, and the collective hum of anticipation as fans settle into their seats or seats of honour at home. Ready your charts, polish your vuvuzelas. This is where the action starts to sizzle. Every coach's greatest challenge is adapting to the unexpected. And this week, Felipe Luis finds himself without Eric Pulgar. The Chilean midfielder, a linchpin in Flamengo's engine room, fractured the 5th metatarsal of his right foot during training, sidelining him for the immediate future and forcing the boss to reshuffle his cards. On the opposite bench, Sao Paulo must cope without veteran Luis Gustavo's tenacious shielding, Caleri's predatory finishing and Lucas Moura's bursts of pace. 3 key figures ruled out by injury. Flamengo's probable 11, 4-4-2. Goalkeeper, Rossi. Defence, Wesley Overella at right back. Central pair, Leo Ortiz and Leo Pereira. Alexandro at left back. Midfield engine, Alan anchoring, Jorginho shuttling, Nico de la Cruz and Arrascaeta stitching play together. Attack, Luis Araujo and Gonzalo Plata providing width, with Bruno Henrique poised to inject his trademark dynamism off the bench. Coach, Felipe Luis. Sao Paulo's probable 11, 4-4-2. Goalkeeper, Rafael. Defence, Alan Franco and Arboleda. As centre-backs, Sabino filling in as a swing option. Full-backs, Cedric and Enzo Diaz. Midfield, Alisson screening alongside Babaya. Creative spark from Marcos Antonio and Enzo Diaz on the flanks. Attack, Oscar dropping deep to orchestrate. Andre Silva leading the line up front. Coach, Hernan Crespo. Can these stand-ins rise to the occasion and tilt the balance? Or will the missing pieces leave cracks Sao Paulo can exploit? Keep reading to find out. High-profile matches demand impartial, razor-sharp adjudication. And this Saturday's encounter rests in the capable hands of referee Wilton Pereira Sampaio from Goiás. Alongside him, assistants Bruno Boschilia, Paraná, and Bruno Rafael Pires, Goiás, will patrol the touchlines, flag in hand, ready to catch offside infringements and challenge every heated duel. Watching from the VAR booth is Braulio da Silva Machado of Santa Catarina, tasked with reviewing pivotal decisions, from penalty shouts to red card incidents, through the flicker of video replay. In a game where title hopes hang in the balance, every decision carries magnified significance. Will the officiating team maintain the flow and fairness, or will their interventions spark controversy? The Maracanã isn't merely a stadium, it's a cauldron of history, echoing with the roars of past triumphs and the ghosts of fallen giants. Originating as the grand stage of football festivals since 1950, its sweeping curves cradle 78,000 souls yearning for spectacle. This season, Flamengo's Brasileiro journey reads like a rollercoaster. 3 stirring victories have punctuated their charge. A solitary draw tempered expectations, and one stinging defeat reminded both players and fans of the league's ruthless depth. Meanwhile, the last time these titans met, in a sun-drenched January friendly on foreign soil, the scoreboard remained stubbornly blank, ending 0-0 in Los Angeles. A neutral outcome then. Today, nothing short of 3 points will suffice. As twilight descends on the Maracanã, hearts will pound in synchrony with the opening whistle. Will Flamengo extend their lead, stamping authority on the Brasileiro? Or will Sao Paulo's wounded pride fuel an upset for the ages? Prepare your battle cries, steady your nerves, and let the world know where your allegiance lies. Tune in, lean forward, and join the live commentary on Mundo Bola Flamengo, where every pass, every tackle, every slice of drama will be dissected with passion. The stage is set, the players are charged, and there's a whole second half yet to be written. Are you ready to witness history in red and black?